Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to our channel below. Also, let me tell you that from today I am going to talk about news related startup and funding of various companies one by one. Today is 27th of March and today I would be talking about Byju's, which is an educational app. Also, if you want to be updated with the current happenings of startup and funding, please turn on the notification bell so whenever we will upload our video, you will come to know. Today's first news, which is Byju's in discussion with B Capital, others to raise $500 to $600 million. EdTech leader Byju's in discussion with a group of investors to raise about $500 to $600 million in a new financing round, which is believed to drive its valuation to as much as $14 to $15 billion. Three people aware about this development has said. EdTech leader Byju's in discussion with group of investors to raise about $500 to $600 million in a new financing round, which is believed to drive its valuation to as much as $14 to $15 billion. Three people aware about this development has said. A person familiar with the matter said B Capital, founded by Facebook co-founder Edward Severin, is among the investors which are likely to come on board. Some US investors and existing backers of the company will also participate in the new round. The first capital infusion is mainly to fund Byju's acquisition of Aakash Education Service, which is being valued at $700 to $800 million in size. With 70% of Aakash transaction occurring in cash and only 30% via a share of swap, Byju's is bolstering up funds to close the deal in a few weeks from now. Said another person is known for the developments. The company is also in the final stages of buying out Mumbai-based Topper, which will comprise about 50% in cash, with the rest of the being stock. The latest fundraising is mostly primary in nature, as Byju's would use the capital to close these acquisitions. It is also eyeing some buyouts in US. The proceeds from the fundraising will also be used to expand globally, said a person mentioned earlier in the report. Byju's has been on a fundraising and acquisition spree over the past year. Byju's has been on a fundraising and acquisition spree over the last year. The Bengaluru-based company was also valued at about $12 billion in November last year, when T-Tower Price, BlackRock among others joined its shareholder list. It acquired White Hat Jr. and coding platform for young kids for $350 million last year amid the pandemic, as more kids started using online education. Byju's has stated that the pandemic induced strong growth for its business, with 20 million new users signing up to use the platform 4 months following the COVID-19 induced lockdowns. It is said, in contrast, that had taken the company 4 years to add first 40 million users. In terms of revenue, the company said that it has recorded Rs 2,800 crores in the year that ended March 2020. By July last year, the company said that it had reached a revenue run rate of Rs 6,000 crore, just a little short of it being able to crack $1 billion revenue mark in the first year of 2021. The company is planning to double its revenue to $1 billion in the current financial year ending March 2021. Byju's is also hiring professionals for job profiles across several departments like academics and content, business development associates, media, brand marketing and communication, tech finance, human resource, mentoring, digital marketing, customer support and operation. If you are interested in the above mentioned job, do visit Byju's website. Also visit our company's website startuplanes.com for information related startup and funding. Please turn on the notification bell so that you will get updates whenever we post our video. Stay tuned for more updates regarding startup and funding. Thank you.